Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to paint a cute little penguin on the stone, so let's get started. First of all, I'm finding a suitable stone for the painting here. I think that will be fine, so let's start painting. Here at the stone I have traced the body of the penguin using lead pencil. Now I am coloring white acrylic color in its inner body using flat brush. Coloring the black color in its outer body. Main coloring part is done here. Now I'm going to draw its eyes. Making its eyes with black color using liner brush. Now making its eyeball using white color with liner brush. Here I am making the wings of the penguin with white color using liner brush. With orange color, making its beak and feet using liner brush. Here is the final look. Cute little beautiful penguin on the stone is ready. Thank you so much guys for watching the video, and do let me know in the comment section which animal or bird should I draw next.